So, quick question, why is it always the smallest change that turns into a full-on rebuild? Like, oh hey, let me just tweak this button real quick, and here you are, 28 minutes deep, your email looks worse, and you're questioning your life choices. Well, January updates are all about preventing that. We've got better button control, smarter previews, forms that clone themselves, location targeting, a partner portal glow up, and on and on. Let's get into it. First up, buttons. And I know buttons aren't exactly the headline feature you'd brag about at dinner, but they're also one of the most used parts of an email. A lot of you told us you want two things at the same time: consistent button styles and the ability to make small one-off adjustments when you need them. And your wish is our command. You still start with your button style, primary, secondary, or tertiary. But you can now customize colors, fonts, shapes, and padding on per button basis without affecting other buttons using the same style. So your design stays consistent and you still get the flexibility when you need it. Win-win! Next, product recommender blocks. If you're using blocks like recently viewed or past purchases, previewing your email didn't always show what you expected. That's because Campaign Preview doesn't have access to context-specific browsing or purchase data, so those blocks could appear empty. Meanwhile, test sends were showing fallback products, which made previewing feel inconsistent. But that's all sorted now. Preview and test sends behave consistently in campaigns, and if there's no contact data available, we'll just show fallback products instead. So you can check your layout properly, make sure everything looks right, and send it with way more confidence. Moving on to forms. If you've ever built a pop-up you liked and then needed a seasonal version of it, you know what happens next. You copy it manually, adjust everything, and hope you didn't miss something. Now, if you're a paid Omnisend user, you can copy an existing form and use AI to create a new version instantly. Just describe what you want to change: text, style, images, blocks, whatever. And your AI pal here will make it easy to create seasonal variations, different designs, or messaging for testing, or even language-specific versions for international visitors, as this update pairs naturally with location targeting. Was that too smooth? Well, once again, you ask and we deliver. So from now on, you can show or hide forms based on the visitor's country. Just choose which countries you want the form to show in, and Omnisend will automatically display it based on the visitor's IP address. This is especially useful for localized promotions, language-specific sign-up forms, and messaging tailored to different regions. Moving on, automation alerts. Automation alerts have been calling out issues and recommendations. And that's helpful, but we heard that you sometimes just want to see what's urgent. So now you can dismiss recommendations, not errors for obvious reasons, but recommendations can move out of your way when you're trying to stay focused. Once you do that, they'll move to separate dismiss tab where you can revisit them later. And that's just us trying to help you feng shui folks out. Clear space, clear mind, it's real. Partners, agencies, multi-store folks, this one's for you! This month we basically turned the partner portal into what it always wanted to be, a centralized hub. First, there's a new performance dashboard. It shows key metrics across all client stores, all in one place: revenue, attribution, engagement, deliverability, the whole situation. Second, you can now export brand performance metrics directly from the partner portal in PowerPoint format. So if you're doing client check-ins, performance reviews, monthly reporting, you can generate presentation-ready decks without any manual screenshotting. We're taking this new year, new me thing seriously, as you can see. Third, individual user access for agency members. Before, everyone was sharing one login, which meant you couldn't track who did what. Now each team member gets their own access and actions are tracked properly, though clients still see a single partner user, so it's all good. And finally, we also added real-time account sync, plus a visual refresh to make onboarding and team management smoother. So yeah, happy January. This new year is off to a great start. And we're not stopping. We've added 4 new integrations, and they're all designed to help you grow and personalize with better data. HighTide helps you grow your SMS list by turning engagement from Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok into subscribers through message automations. Giveaways, restock launches, early access, all scalable. Rivo syncs loyalty data like points balance, VIP tier, and referral URL into Omnisend contact profiles. YoYo Loyalty does the same with cashback, store credit, VIP tiers, and other loyalty attributes, so you can segment and automate around them. And Custolo Customer Account syncs custom Shopify customer fields into Omnisend, so you can build richer profiles and use those fields for deeper segmentation and personalization. Finally, our finale, billing updates. And I know nobody watches our product update thinking, ooh, invoices. But billing is one of those things where clarity is everything, because confusion can get expensive. So we've improved billing emails and invoices to make everything way more transparent. Invoice emails now clearly outline what your bill includes, like one-time payments, billable contact counts, and renewal details. Invoices also show applied credits more transparently. Credits are applied to the subtotal before tax, so it's easier to understand the final amount. And that's January. Keep in mind that these updates may cause shorter build times, fewer previous surprises, and a strange sense of calm while doing marketing. If symptoms persist, keep using Omnisend. That's kind of the point. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next month.